In this video, I'll be showing you how to test a dryer heating element. You'll begin by looking for any breaks in the coils and squeezing the coils together. If you find a break, then your heating element is bad and will need to be replaced. Otherwise, you'll still want to test it with the multimeter. You'll need a multimeter that can read continuity and or resistance. The symbol for continuity is this one, and the symbol for resistance is this one. You'll then set your multimeter to continuity and or resistance. If you have continuity, then you'll get a beeping noise when you touch each end of the leads together. If you have resistance and only resistance, you won't get the beeping noise, but you'll get a 0 displayed on your screen. If you have both, then both beeping noise and the 0 will be displayed on your screen. Once you're on the right setting, you'll touch each end of the leads to each end of the terminals. It does not matter which lead goes to which terminal. If you get no beeping noise and no change on the screen, then your heating element is bad and will need to be replaced. If you get a beeping noise or a reading of 10 displayed on your screen, then your heating element is good. If you need a replacement, there will be a link in the description below. That'll take you to nationalapplianceparts.net. From there you can order your part and have it at your door in 2 to 3 business days. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped, please give us a thumbs up.